This is number 8 from section 6.4, and it says it costs an appliance manufacturer C equals 1.125x squared plus $22,950 to produce X front-loading washing machines, which will then bring in revenues of R equals $450X. So we want to find the break-even points by solving a system of equations. Okay, and the break-even points are when the costs equal the revenue or when the profit is 0. Okay, so we're going to set the cost function 1.125x squared plus 22,950 equal to the revenue function 450x. Okay, and try to solve this equation. I think we'll just try to solve this graphically by entering the cost function in y1 and the revenue function in y2. Okay, and then we'll just try to graph. So zoom 6 for the standard viewing window, and then zoom 0. I'm also going to try to zoom out some so I can see the line and the curve, but I want to see them intersect. So zoom number 3. And hit enter. And then you can just keep zooming out if needed by hitting enter. Okay, so once I've zoomed out enough, I'm going to try to find the intersection or intersections. A second trace, intersect number 5, and then hit enter 3 times. Okay, so one intersection occurs when x is 60. And then I do this again, second trace, number 5, and move the cursor over a little bit toward the other intersection and hit enter 3 times. Okay, so or x is equal to 340. Either x is 60 or x is 340. At either of those levels, the manufacturer will break even. Okay, and we've already completed part B because we graphed those equations in the same window and found the intersection of the graphs. And so part C, we want to use the fact that profit equals revenue minus cost to find the value of X for which profit is a maximum. Okay, so we're going to write a profit function, and it's of the form R minus C. Okay, and R was 450x, and C was 1.125x squared plus 22,950. Just enter this expression exactly as you've written it with parentheses around the cost function, and try to graph. Okay, so the good news, we see the highest point of the graph. So just go to second trace, max, which is number 4. Left bound, you just need to be to the left of the vertex, which the cursor already is. So hit enter. And then scroll to the right of the vertex and hit enter, and then press enter one more time. Okay, and so the maximum occurs when x is 200. The maximum profit is $22,050. Okay, but we're asked to write to find the value of x for which profit is at a maximum, and that's the x coordinate, which will provide the number of washing machines. So 200.